I'm so excited about the pasta and the sauce that's Hello Kitty from World Market. There are some nights that I just don't feel like cooking a super duper elaborate meal. And on those nights, I turn to pasta and sauce, as long as it's non-GMO or organic. These products are from Italy, and Italy does not allow GMOs, so they are safe to eat. My husband is going to cook this up for me, so I can take a little cooking break tonight. On the nights that you don't feel like cooking up a huge elaborate meal yourself, turn to the pasta and the sauce. Let's watch Tommy cook this up for us. It'll look super fancy because it's Hello Kitty shaped. What was that?
I'm Carolyn. I'm going to show you how to cook.
I like your apron, Tommy.
That's all my wife made me make.
How did you get the water to boil so fast?
With a lid, which is a trick I learned from Carolyn'sBoomyCreations.com.
Nice. Oh, they're steamy hot. But look at the cute little bows and Hello Kitty faces. So cute. Now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan, fake Parmesan vegan cheese on it. And come on in and look at this perfectly easy gourmet pasta meal that was done in less than 15 minutes. Thanks for making dinner tonight, Tommy.
You're welcome.